Hey guys, it's Energy KnD here, and the new raid has came out, so I'm going to show you the rewards and kind of go over them. And I also have some gems, as you can see in the upper right corner, so I'm going to be opening some chests. Alright, so let's first start off with the top guild rewards. Look at them stats. Pretty much 2,900, 3,100. It's pretty sick. Um, 2,500, 2,700, still really good stats, but not nearly as good as the plus version. Um, Brightwind Plate Mail Plus, 2,500, 2,300, not too bad, but it's a mono, so it's not going to get as much of a boost. Brightwind Plate Mail Regular, and then Demortis, which is what I want, plus, because I've always really liked that armor. I need an Air Spirit armor. Um, it's actually better than regular Brightwind because it gets better boosts and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty sick. And then Demortis regular, Maelstrom Irons Plus, which is pretty good. It's not pretty good, but it's good for new players. Then everything after that is not really good. Um, so yeah, there's that. Top player rewards. You get the title if you get number one. Um, Same rewards as it always is, just different armors. Um, see guild, can't see them all. There's just fusion boosts. Milestones are always what they are. Um, Hopefully I can get to that last 12 mil milestone, but I don't know if I'm going to because I'm not like pushing this time, and I think we're gonna attack like level fours and threes this time. Um, yeah, so hopefully we can get top um, top 100 for that, but I'm not sure if we are. Alright, so another topic here is the new heroic mode, which is pretty sick. It just came out today. We just had one too, and that's the regular version on the left, 2,203, 2,030. The plus version's like 2,500, 2,200, which is pretty good. Um, I've already got one of them. You can see the one right there. Working on this one. Look how many potions I have. I could use those, but I'm just kind of waiting right now. Um, yeah, so I'm going to. Ooh, oh, the tournament ended too. Wow, got those awards. So I am going to do the chance chest openings right now. I'm going to open 11. All right, so here we go. Open now. All right, ultra rare. I'm just not going to say these. I'm going to say if it's an epic or a dragon forge, which hopefully I'll get at least one, hopefully a plus or something, but not looking too good yet. Um, Black Kaleidoscope, whatever. Oh, look at this. That legendary one, too. Um, Too bad I can't combine that with another armor, which would be pretty awesome. I did not get anything good. It's got Black Chromantle regular. That's pretty sad. Right, well, I mean, you can't get good thing every time, you know. So I'm going to also do some fusions here for you. I will do start with some legendaries. Let's do this one, and let's do Sub Zero. Oh, I got Northerners. Not really what I want, but at least it's an epic. Um, Fuse that away too. Um, Stars. Let's do that with Simeon. Simeon. I don't know how to pronounce that. That is Wicker Mantle. See what else I can get here. Um, let's do Hunter's Garb and Resurrected Iron Guard. That is rock. I can't get rock steel. Um, so far all I've gotten is Northerners, which is kind of sad, but I guess you can't get a good thing every time. Cultist plus. Um, that's that. Yeah, Armor of the Wolf. I don't even know. Can I do the next one? Nope. I cannot do any more fusions. But let's do Northerners, and let's do. I don't know anything. Let's do. I'm trying to think of what we can get from all these combinations. Let's do with Infernal Devilish Blade. I don't know. I can't remember what I can get, but that's not what I wanted. But that's okay. I mean, I guess it's Blaze Stone regular. That armor is pretty cool looking. I might save that. Probably not though. Um, yeah, I'm also crafting another one right there. I'll be doing some more videos later this week about heroic mode. Um, yeah, that's really the end of this. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button.